Hello guys! So, in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba kayo mag-post sa isang post lang and it will be posted. Yung post mo, mapopost siya to different social media platforms, especially on Facebook. We're gonna focus more on Facebook right now. To different or multiple Facebook pages. So, ito lang. Meron ko simple. All you have to do is go here sa Social Planner sa GoI level. Click mo lang tong new post. Run. Yan. Create new post. Once ma-create mo niyang new post, then you're gonna be asked kung ano ba yung social media platforms na pwede mong i-upload. In this case, gamitin ko ngayon, Boss Jake TV, Boss Jake Vlogs, Homebase Connect, and the BCA Freelancers. Lahat to, pag-aari ko. You can also post to YouTube, pero since picture to, hindi natin i-post yan. Right. And then, we're gonna add a picture. Ito yung picture na gagamitin ko for this post. I actually created this one sa Canva earlier. Ito yung post niya. Yan. So, I'm just gonna click that one. I-upload ko lang siya. Pag ma-upload ko na siya, click ka lang ng 2 times here. Yan. And then, ito na yung preview niya. Okay? So, just type ko lang dito, be grateful. Yan. Tapos, lagay ko dito yung kanyang emoji na something like this. Okay? Boom. Yan. And then, ito na yung preview niya. Okay? Makita niyo yung preview dito. Ito yung preview niya. Preview niya sa Boss Jake TV, preview niya sa Boss Jake Vlogs, preview niya sa Homebase Connect, and preview niya sa BCA Freelancers. 4 na Facebook pages in just 1 click na post. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yung ano niya. Click ko yung post. Pag maklik mo itong post, you will be asked kung i-post mo na ngayon or reschedule mo yung post. So in this case, we're gonna test post now. We're gonna click this one sa post now. Tingnan natin ang mangyari. Boom. Post now. Okay, it's posting now. Now, ang daming now. Wait natin mag-load. So, yan. Yan yung data niya. Ngayon, in progress na nakalagay. No, in progress nakalagay. Pero, ngayon, we're going to go now sa ating different social media platforms kung na-post na ba siya. Okay? Right now, boom. Refresh ko lang itong BCA Freelancer. Refresh ko lang din itong Homebase Connect. Refresh ko lang itong Boss Jake Vlogs. Refresh ko lang din itong Boss Jake TV. Tingnan natin. Boom. Be grateful. Okay? Yan. So, the BCA Freelancer, check. Homebase Connect, check ulit. And Boss Jake Vlogs, check ulit, nandito pa rin. And then Boss Jake TV, be grateful. Ganun ka simple for this tutorial mga boss. See you. Let's go.